When wilderness meets raw power, legends are born. Discover the titans of modern forestry. Watch as million-dollar machines perform impossible feats. Feel the ground shake as these steel warriors reshape forests. This is where power, precision, and passion collide. Welcome to the future of forestry. The M&J 4000 is a robust shredder engineered for diverse waste streams. Its bidirectional cutting system, coupled with an open cutting table design, minimizes downtime and maximizes throughput. The 4000's hardened steel components ensure longevity, while its energy-efficient operation reduces operational costs. Whether you're processing C&D debris, MSW, or biomass, the M&J 4000 delivers reliable performance. When I saw the Ritter D40 in action, I was amazed by its strength and versatility. This semi-professional winch operates smoothly thanks to its dual-chain drive system, ensuring durability and low noise. Its secure grip on tight cables, even on challenging terrains, is truly remarkable. With its compact design and powerful performance, the Ritter D40 is an indispensable assistant for forestry and agricultural tasks. Navigating treacherous hillsides with ease, the Ritter R185. Skidder boasts a powerful 193 horsepower engine and a highly responsive hydrostatic drive system. Its wet disc braking system and electro-hydraulic differential lock ensure exceptional traction and control. This machine not only effortlessly hauls massive timber, but also guarantees the operator's safety and comfort throughout the workday. The sight of this 56-inch circular saw at work is truly awe-inspiring. The enormous blade, the roaring engine, the swift and precise cuts through giant logs. It's a mesmerizing spectacle. Despite being 50 years old, this sawmill remains an incredible tool, a testament to humanity's ability to harness the power of nature. Drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creative fire. The saw pinch occurred due to the reduced moisture content and increased brittleness of the dead wood, leading to binding of the saw blade. Utilizing felling wedges or a chainsaw with a low kickback chain and an anti-vibration system could mitigate such incidents. It's commendable that this individual shared their experience to educate others. However, always prioritize safety and assess the tree's condition before cutting. The John Deere 2954D harvester excels in challenging conditions. Its 9.0-liter engine meets Tier 4 final emission standards while providing 271 horsepower for demanding tasks. The advanced hydraulic system and Timbermatic H16 control system ensure precise boom movements and efficient processing. The optional IBC, Intelligent Boom Control, further enhances precision and reduces operator strain. This is a valuable asset for any forestry operation. My heart leaped into my throat as the cable snapped, sending the truck hurtling downwards. But what stunned me even more was that despite this terrifying incident, the truck remained completely unscratched, as if God himself had cushioned its fall. It felt like a genuine miracle. Observe this compact yet robust machine. Ideal for small to medium trees, this bobcat effortlessly handles cutting and skidding logs with remarkable fluidity. The newly integrated timbertail grapple, attached to the rear, significantly boosts productivity. However, safety remains a concern. What are your thoughts? Looking for a grinder that can handle the toughest jobs? Check out the Bandit Beast 4680. Its 60-inch cutter mill and powerful engine options make it perfect for large-scale projects. The wireless remote keeps you safe and in control, while the adjustable discharge makes material handling a breeze. If you're serious about productivity and efficiency, the Beast 4680 is worth considering. You see that truck? 11 tons. And it's climbing that snowy hill with just a net on the right wheel. Can you believe that? Talk about getting a grip. That's some serious off-road action right there. This bad boy ain't messing around. Stumps, they're toast. Doesn't matter if they're underground or sticking up, this machine turns them to dust. Fast, clean, and easy. You'll be done before you know it. Well, folks, sometimes things get a little hairy out there in the logging world. Take this skidder, for example. 1 minute it's chugging along, the next, bam, upside down. It's a good reminder to take it slow and steady on those slopes. Check this out. This HYM650 is making short work of that stump. It's like magic. These forestry milling machines are seriously powerful. What do you guys think? Pretty awesome, right? Let me know in the comments. Ladies and gentlemen, what we're witnessing is absolutely incredible. This mighty Maz 6x6 is crushing every obstacle like it's nothing. The steepest slopes? Conquered. Deep snow? No problem. This is what true power looks like, folks. The Moorbark 1100 represents a breakthrough in industrial waste processing efficiency. Featuring a robust Cat C 18600 horsepower power plant coupled with a PT Tech 318 clutch system, this mid-tier grinder achieves optimal torque-to-power ratios. The 24-hammer rotor configuration, operating at 2000 RPM, enables processing capacities of up to 200 cubic yards per hour through precision-engineered 2-inch screens. This beauty is changing the game in waste management, and I'm blown away. Timber transportation represents a critical link in the forestry supply chain, demanding a unique blend of skill and precision. Operators of these massive vehicles, often exceeding 60 tons in payload, face a myriad of challenges, from navigating treacherous terrain to ensuring load stability and safety. Advanced technologies, such as GPS-guided navigation and stability control systems, play a crucial role in optimizing efficiency and mitigating risk in this demanding field. Whew, that was a lucky day for a DIY project. Dopstat DW3060F. Rotor size M is truly in a class of its own. Think of it as the Swiss Army knife of shredders. It excels in various demanding applications, from heavy waste to green debris, thanks to its powerful hydraulic system and robust steel teeth. The quick-change drum system ensures smooth operation, even when faced with unexpected challenges. This machine is a testament to German engineering, combining power, efficiency, and reliability. Undeniably, this is the most captivating video I've encountered showcasing human-animal collaboration. In such challenging terrain, horses prove to be the optimal choice for timber extraction. Their strength, agility, and remarkable ability to partner with humans are on full display. This is, without a doubt, the most compelling video I've seen today. Whoa! This is crazy! Look at that grade. These trees are giants. Gotta stay sharp with every cut. One bad move and it's game over. This guy's a real inspiration. Imagine facing the world with just one arm. Now imagine taking on a tree leaning the wrong way. That takes guts and ingenuity. He's not just cutting down a tree. He's showing us what's possible when we adapt and overcome. This is a testament to the human spirit. Whoa, check out this daredevil. Amazing skills, but dude, where's your helmet? One wrong move and it's lights out. This ain't no joke. You see, this skidder operator was pushing his luck on a seriously steep slope. I have a feeling something bad is going to happen. Imagine a tool that dances through the forest, a miniature maestro conducting a symphony of clearing and thinning. The TMK 200 cutter head, with its delicate yet powerful touch, transforms your mini excavator or skid steer into an artist's brush, shaping the landscape with precision and grace. Trees up to 200 millimeters in diameter yield effortlessly to its embrace, leaving behind a canvas of renewed beauty and possibility. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more, and let me know what you want to see built next in the comments below. Until next time, keep building, keep creating, and keep pushing your limits.